Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Haji Aman bin Mazurizal, and for today, I shall be presenting the website that me and my team have created named Tales of Sekinchan. It is a travel guide website for Sekinchan, which is a location within Selangor. Before we move on, let's take a look at the back end of the website, which we built using WordPress.com. So first of all, we need to log in first. And here is the dashboard for the WordPress website. As you can see, this is where all of the site management happens. And as for the dashboard layout, there are many options. The first of all being the collapse menu, which is to simply close the menu. The dashboard, which is very self-explanatory. My home is the main page that you are taken to when opening the dashboard. And this is where you can view your own website. You can view hosting overview. There are also these multiple steps that are given to you when you started building your website. Just give your site a name, add new page, traffic, edit the page, and share your site. It's also customize your domain, but this is available for those with a premium plan. As you can see here, as for the stats, it shows the stats for all the visitors that have visited your website. And again, there are more information if you upgrade for the plans. And for upgrades, it is for users to upgrade their WordPress plan. Currently, I am on the free plan, but there are also personal, premium, and business plan, and also commerce and enterprise. As for the posts, this is where you create your own posts for your website, as WordPress is a blog post website. We will be returning to this in a bit. Categories is for you to categorize all of your posts into different subjects and parent categories. Tags is for you to tag your post into different tags, and for it to also have the description. We'll take a look at the add post in a bit. Moving on to media. This is where you add and manage all of your pictures and GIFs and all of that kind of stuff. As you can see here, there are a lot of pictures being used during the development of the website. And here you can add new ones, or you can import the set media. As for the pages, we will also be looking at this in a bit, but here is where you see and manage all of the pages within your website. As you can see, there are 10 total pages in here, which is about attractions, contact gallery, hidden food gems, history of Sekinchan, location, nature of Sekinchan, things to do, and welcome. Next being comments, where users can comment on your post and page, and the author can see it. Now, Jetpack, there are a lot of things for Jetpack. See, there are stats, there are social, and Akits met anti-spam, activity logs, scan, backup, forms, monetize, search, subscribers, and podcasting. I'm gonna go through this a bit faster. As for appearances, here is where you get all of your themes for your website. You can choose various different ones based on different categories, and they all are categorized under free or available on premium plan. Here is the theme that is chosen for this website. There's also the editor for you to manually edit the themes itself. As for the plugin, here is where you can download or also buy premium plugins to take your site even further by having extra features and elements to help develop your website even further. Users, there are all the available users that develop the website altogether. Tools, there are many different tools. And settings. Settings here for you to customize various aspects about your website, such as the title, tagline. You can add your own icon or even make one. There is the site URL and also the time zone and date format available on the website, and such as language and admin interface and when the week starts. So far, that's all for the backend. Now we're gonna go through the post and pages, and we're gonna see how to exactly publish your own post and pages. Here is the post section. So let's just type something. Just as an example, we can save the draft to view later. You can also add various different elements: graph, heading, list, images, slideshow, buttons, social icons, navigation, author names, etc. Different patterns and media. So customize the text itself. Now let's publish. Let's publish. And let's view the post itself. And here is the post. See the name and various other details. However, for this website, we will not be utilizing the post feature, as the website is more towards a proper travel guide rather than a simple blog post. So blog posts and posts will not be utilized. However, pages will be utilized most. So let's take a look at the pages. Let's add pages. Here we can again add the pages. It's the same as the post earlier with all of the elements. In save draft, you can also view. We can now publish the page. Let's view the page. Here's the page. And you can also set it to have the navigation up top, but it's just an example of what you can do on the page. And yeah, that's pretty much the simplest way of publishing the post and pages. There are other options for you to, as shown earlier, to add it to navigation menu and all that, but that requires you to explore the website even further. So I hope you can explore the website by your own time. And that's all for the back end process of creating a website using WordPress. Hello, my name is Haze Eman, and now we shall be moving forward into the front end demonstration of the website using WordPress. As mentioned earlier, this is a website created in WordPress titled Tales of Sekinchan. And right now we are in the home page of it. As you can see, we got the logo that will lead you back to the home page once click, the name of the website, and the navigation bar showing all the various other pages. This is the title of the page, Welcome to Sekinchan. There's a picture of the local Sekinchan beach. It's very popular. Sekinchan is also known as for its tranquil paddy field and fishing village. And here is the vast paddy field of Sekinchan. So this website, its purpose is to be a travel guide for users and visitors to travel in Sekinchan. we provide various different things such as various informations about the website itself, but also various informations for Sekinchan, such as its history, where it is located, and various other things such as the nature, events and activities, foods, and gallery. And scrolling down, we can see the footer, and here is again the title, which once clicked will lead you back to the home page. This is the slogan, discover the wild world of Sekinchan. The details here on which platform is compatible with this website, which is best fit on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. It is also responsive on mobile devices and tablets. Was updated is the last update date for the website. And also the copyright, all right reserved, designed with WordPress. This is the copyright for WordPress itself, the logo, and also the social media links, which only leads to the main page of the respective social media. And that's all for the home page. Now we'll move on to the About page. In the About page, here's the title, here's the layout, which features an image on the side, some text and description, and also one huge image on the bottom. Shows the vast paddy field of Sekinchan, and here shows the fishing village of Sekinchan. The About Sekinchan, which is mainly summarizes this website and also does the Sekinchan as a whole. It's a go Tales of Sekinchan is your go-to guide for your future or current travels to Sekinchan. This features various details for your guides to Sekinchan, which is known for its paddy field and fishing village. Its unique and distinguished features of Sekinchan is something that everyone should experience. Such as you can see, there are various available photos and images to showcase the selling point of Sekinchan, the history, the nature and activities, map location, and also local delicacies. That's what the website will contain. And that's all for the About page. And now we're going to skip ahead and moving on to the history, titled History of Sekinchan. This page will be detailing the history of Sekinchan as a location. As you can see, there are various images accompanied by some descriptions. Here are the images of the local beach of Sekinchan. It's very vast and also very popular. There is the local paddy field factory where tourists can come and visit to witness the production of rice. And also the local fishing village. As you can see, here is the short description of what Sekinchan is. It's also known as village suitable for plantation, and where it is located, which can be seen later on in the location. Also, short description of Sekinchan is a tranquil and lively fishing village, and also known for its paddy field, known as Rice Ball of Selangor, and it's a hidden gem amongst the traveling world of Malaysia, with its many different unique spots and accommodations. Sekinchan is well known for its suitable location for rice plantation, as well as its vast paddy field and modern plantation technology, which goes well with this name, village suitable for plantation. And it is also known for its large and expansive fishing village. One of its main locations is Bagan, being the main fishing village, located in the southwest of the town. It usually is quite quiet, but once all of the fishes come back shore, it always goes back to being very lively and loud. There are also various different seafood restaurants located around the villages for people to enjoy the souvenir. And that's all for the history page. It's a very quick and rough summary of Sekinchan, which hopefully could entice users to visit Sekinchan themselves and find out more information about it. That's all for the history.
Hello, my name is Saiful and welcome again to the Test of Sekinchan website. And now I will be talking about the front end of contact page. So on contact page, what are we hoping is to get a contact with any users that wants to question us or knowing about Sekinchan. Either it's about the situation there or the season or any good places that they can rent. They can live there. So here the start of the hello session. Here we are the test says we love to hear from you. Have questions about Sekinchan, planning your visit, or want to collaborate? Reach out to us using the contact form or details below. So here at the contact form, so this way, if the users want to talk to us or have any question regarding Sekinchan, they can fill out this form and send a message, and press the send button here by any the name, email, and message. So down here is also the address, email, and phone number, and also the operating hours. So the operating hours is regarding is about our time schedule lah, our time schedule for working hour. And also this is the location of our places by following this address bar, this address, and here it shows where our building place is. So that way the user can meet us there. Also the text from down here, it says planning your trip, don't miss out on top attractions and things to do in Sekinchan. And there's a two button here that goes to other page from our website, and there's attraction and things to do. And if you click any of this, it brings to another page. And now I'll be talking about the front end of the gallery pages in Tales of Sekinchan website. So on what I'm hoping on the gallery picture is we want the user to see the view in Sekinchan. So here we also add the title picture or like a hero section that it says Sekinchan to the lands, a visual journey to fields, villages, and coastal lives. And the next step is the gallery picture in Sekinchan. So the first one is the life in Sekinchan, and here it shows several pictures of how citizens that lives in Sekinchan, how they looks like, how it lives there. So here is the village view, village, I think it's the food court, and also there is one tourist picture where any people who go there can take a picture to get a good view. So next up is the paddy season views, and here there are the pictures that shows the workers that in paddy, and the last one is the Pantai Redang scenery, where the only pantai in Sekinchan. Here are the picture, and the picture shows several several pictures of the beauty in Pantai Redang. And also a little text from down here. It says, have you all Sekinchan moment? Share it with hashtag #mySekinchan on any social media. So we encourage for any users that have been to Sekinchan to share their moment by using this hashtag #mySekinchan, so that other user can uh, who so other users who haven't got to visit Sekinchan can see it through this hashtag. So that's it. Now I will be talking about the front end page of location in Tales of Sekinchan website. So the reason location page are made is we want to let we want to share the information to the user about the destination in Sekinchan, so that way the users can plan their time and places by following their plan. So let's start in the hero section here. It says, where is Sekinchan? Yeah, located on the west coast of Selangor, Malaysia, Sekinchan is a scenic town famous for its paddy fields, fishing villages, and quiet beaches. It's a short drive from Kuala Lumpur. Here we added the Google Maps, so the user can interact with it, or going for zoom in or zoom out to see where exactly is Sekinchan. And here are another part that's for on how to get there. So there are three parts. There is car, bus, and train. So if users want to go to Sekinchan by car, so let's say if they are from the Kuala Lumpur, so from Kuala Lumpur to Sekinchan it takes 1.5 to 2 hours via Lata Expressway or Federal Route 5. That only if they take from the Lata Expressway lah. That would take around 2 hours, less than 2 hours. Estimation 2 hours. But for bus, if the user want to go to Sekinchan through bus, they have to take a direct bus available from KL or Klang to Sekinchan bus terminal. Whereas the train, sadly there is no direct train that goes to Sekinchan, but the user can take KTM to Klang or Tanjung Karang and continue by taxi or bus. And here they can see the clear distance highlights here for the estimated time travel. So example, from Kuala Lumpur, estimation 2 hours, Klang 1 hours, Ipoh 2.5 hours, and Shah Alam 1.5 hours. And also a bit of text. Ready to explore Sekinchan? Check out what to do when you arrive. And there's 2 buttons that goes to another pages in our website.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Badri. Now I am going to walk you through the attraction page of our website, Tales of Sekinchan. We start with a clean cover block that includes a background image of Sekinchan beach with the page title clearly displayed to set the tone for what this section is about. Below that, I have used a series of media and text blocks where each attraction is displayed with an image and a brief description. The layout alternates left and right for better visual balance. This keeps the content engaging and easier to follow. Each block contains the name of the attraction, a short description, and the location. For example, here we have paddy fields, Sekinchan fishing village, Nantian temple, and so on. After the attraction list, I have I have added an embedded Google Map that shows the exact location of all the attraction mentioned above. This gives user a clearer idea of how to plan their visit and where each place is located in Sekinchan. At the end of the page, I have included a simple call to action encouraging visitors to explore more activities by heading to the Things to Do page. That's the attractions page designed to be visually appealing and informative while also easy to navigate. This is the Things to Do page of our website. We begin with a cover block featuring a scenic image from Sekinchan, with the page title displayed clearly to introduce the section. This page focuses on experiences and activities visitors can enjoy, rather than physical places. For the content layout, I use the layout grid block. Each item includes an image with text placed over it, making the page look more interactive and modern. Each activity highlights the title, useful tips, and advice and recommendation for visitors. For example, here's cycle around the paddy field with a tip about the best time to visit and where to start. Each item is paired with a button that links directly to the location on Google Maps, helping users find the spot easily. After the list of activities, I included a slideshow block that showcases all the things to do in Sekinchan. This gives users a quick visual summary and works well on both desktop and mobile device. To the end page, there is a simple call to action inviting users to check out more places or plan their trip using the contact or location page. That's the overview of our Things to Do page. It is designed to be activity focused, helpful, and engaging for anyone planning to explore Sekinchan.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Sarah binti Badli, and this is my part where I tell you about hidden food gems and nature of Skinchan. So here is the back end of the WordPress, which is my part. So here is where all I put the information and I edit before we can see the outcome like this. Here, here is the outcome page. So for the back end, here is the front end, and now I want to show you the back end before I tell a bit for the front end. So here is where I edit and add my pattern from here. On the left, on the left, if you can see, here is a plus box that says block inserter. So you just click where you can choose any kind of um, uh, I'm sorry, any things that can edit in this WordPress, like text, heading, list, code, details, tables, and so on. So here here are the pattern that I use from patterns, which is event. If you click on event, and then I choose this as my pattern for the hidden food page, because eventually I discovered that the original themes, the the layout was very like it stay in the middle, which is not what I wanted. So I discovered it, if you want to use by adjusting like manually on here, you can go to style and layout. From here you can adjust, but this is only for the premium page only, so you have to pay the amount to get the things that you want for your WordPress. So I'm only use the things that are free and available to use. I changed this event to become a useful information to put in and to gather all the information. Before this, I used the HTML code, but I discovered it does function well, but the layout doesn't came it like this, like a wide angle, a wide of the full of the page itself. So you have to use the patterns. The media is where you can upload it, your images, and here is the images that we use to upload it. And then mm, also you can take it from pixel free photos. Here are the good quality for your WordPress to put in. So here is the hidden gem food that I put it. I put all the a little bit details, and I tell the stories about the restaurant, the food that are related in to the Sekinchans, and when you go there. So here's the place ID that you can go. And then after all I added, so for example I want to improve this what do we call this sentence. So okay, in Sekinchan, okay, like that, advisor, okay. Oh, I'm just going to going back. Okay, so I just save it here, and then you click save. After you click save, I think it's save. Okay, page updated, view page, so it means I already updated my page. So here are the page that I do. Same goes for the nature of Sekinchan. So here are the things info that I put. So we go back to the same place. So you go to the WordPress logo, and then open the navigations, and here is all the page, and here is where we can see our team members did their part and publish it. Okay, so I have two part for this, which is hidden food and nature. So I will click on my page, and you can also add page if you have any kind of what you want to add, and also it will included with the menu page that you can edit for the home page. So here is the nature of Sekinchan for the page. For the picture here, I use AI assistant to describe the image for each of the, what do we call this, image lah kan, haha. Okay, so here is what I put. Actually you can delete this because I don't use it, but somehow if you didn't put any kind of text and you save, the outcome will be like just no any kind of any add text or for the black box, if you can see from here. So I choose this layout from the, wait, let me see. Okay, we go to the pattern, and then I choose it from services, I guess. Wait, let me find it out. mm. So yeah, so here is where I use the pattern layout. So here are all the things that you can choose for your WordPress. Okay, okay, that's it for the front end, back end, sorry. So for the nature skin channel, I tell about the place that give you a calmness. Basically, I'm telling you, other than things to do, hidden food, gallery for the Sekinchan, we also share you about the nature of the Sekinchan. So in Sekinchan, we know it's famously with the paddy fields, are among the largest and most picturesque square in Malaysia, that stretching endless across the flat landscape. This lush green fields transform the area into a peaceful and calming scene. I've been I have been Skinchan for once before, and I tell you it is really big paddy fields that I looking through the window of the car. So the view is very stunning. Same goes to the sunset. It's such a breathtaking. And also, they have a fishing village, where you can see here is the glimpse of the fishing village that showcasing a colorful wooden boat, rustic waterfront life. Here is where all the villagers gather their, keep their store their boats, fish. Here is the place. Same goes to Pantai Redang. Is such as you can see here is the entrance that give a warm welcoming to the visitors. It's also a famous place to go and have healing or me time for yourself. So it is part of the nature. So for the birds here is also, for me it's part of the nature, because uh, when you have, how how should I tell this? If you if we can see the more, the bigger size of the square feet of the paddy, so it will attract a lot of birds that will came there, because paddy we got some inside the paddy. How should I tell you? Inside the field of the paddy, it also have a fish. So the bird will came and take and eat here and so on. So you can see a lot of bird watching from here. And then next is for the Sekinchan coconut. For the Sekinchan coconut, I tell this for the also part of the nature, because basically Sekinchan offer a visitor refreshing breaks, surrounding by rows of tall coconut trees that swaying in the breeze. This peaceful spot is known for a fresh coconut, where visitors can enjoy chilled coconut water straight from the source. Basically, the local people planted them all around here. So to me, it is part of the nature that give attraction to Sekinchan, that makes Sekinchan what do we call special. Same goes. Almost forgot to tell about the food. Same goes to food. So the food I recommended the place where, um, Skinchan is not just about nature's place, attraction place, and things to do, but also is heaven of seafood place in Skinchan also. So one of them is Seafood di Bendang. Seafood di Bendang is a popular halal certificate seafood restaurant that situated right in the heart of Skinchan iconic paddy fields, and is also known for its fresh catches. Seriously, live seafood pulled from aquariums and cooked on demand, and generously shareable portion that makes a deal for groups. Same goes to Abah Bonda, which dia jual they sell ikan bakar. It's a popular spot in Sekinchan for fresh coral grilled seafood like ikan bakar, prawns, squid, and clams, known for its rich sambal flavor and casual village style dining. The different from here is just like a villages style, and there's a little bit in modern style, which is having a restaurant. And then for the N Bus Cafe Skinchan, which is a place for Instagrammable, and also for the food they mostly have what do we call desserts, like a blueberry cheesecake, and matcha chocolate marshmallow cheesecake, and other more kind of desserts, pastry, what we call that. For Kopi Sawah pula is popular coffee located right next to Skinchan Paddy Fields, and offering a visitor a relaxing spot to enjoy coffee and local light meal with a scenic view. I I watched this. It's very very beautiful and very calm and peace when you're having a afternoon coffee or tea, just enjoying the wind and nature. It's really really amazing feel to experience this at Kopi Sawah. And then for the Chendol Pulut was Kinchan. Okay, the chendol here are what people love. Many enjoy the relaxed dining environment, ample parking, and fresh seafood dishes like grilled siaka and mentarang. It's only not about chendol, but also they also have a apa ni, what do we call seafood, grilled seafood. Okay, so now for the mi bandung udang is where review says it's pekat and sedap, which is thick and aromatic with a balanced spice sweet flavor, fresh large prawns, and scenic seafront dining. So last but not least is AZR Mentarang Fresh Skin Chance. It's also a seafood place that have grilled mentarang, mentarang celup tepung, belangkas masak lemak cili api. Oh my god, it's giving me mouth watering when I tell about this. Sotong goreng tepung. So basically, Skinchan is famous for their seafood. So yeah, that is all for me. I already tell you about a little bit about the back end and the front end. So this is all for me. Thank you for hearing. Bye. I mean, I will pass it to my group mate maybe. That is my part only. Bye.